Yeah, I know, it's been a while. Yo, March 17th, St. Patty's Day, 2021. I've been on the bike. Yeah, I've been out on the bike about 4 or 5 times since my last video. It's finally getting a bit mild now. Anyways, did a few things and got a buddy of mine coming over. You've met him a few times. Gapper 19, my buddy Rick. So, take into the garage. Just changed the fuel filter. That was fun. And we're going to help Rick change his when he gets the filter in. But I'm going to show you. I'm surprised I didn't get stranded somewhere. So I'm going to show you how bad this thing was. So, yeah. So I'll be back in a second. Hello. All right. Lights on. I'm going to turn the heat on in a few minutes. All right. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, wait till you see this thing. It is a wonder I didn't get stranded somewhere. First off, that's supposed to be white. Secondly, you're supposed to be able to see the light through it. So, this is about as bad a fuel filter I think I've ever seen. I mean, that is some serious crap in there. That's okay. So, inquiring minds might want to know, gee, how do you change the fuel filter in an electric glide? Easy. You start off, take the seat off. Hang on, I'll get to that in a minute. Secondly, I'm gonna put the door up for a minute. Hurts. Okay, there we go. Secondly, take the saddlebag off. Then you take this side cover off right here, and the fuse box is there. And fourth down on the left is the fuse that says fuel pump. Pull the fuse. Now that you got the seat off and that done, you have to undo. Oh, I know. Hang on a minute. There it is. There's one screw right there. And then there's one underneath the seat. So then, let me get this straightened out again. That was fun. I wish I had a bigger garage. All right, hang on. Damn. Oops. Yeah, it always worked better on that little table. Gave me more room. I'm gonna put a shelf there. Okay. Then last but not least, take the cap off and pull this up. And don't lose that rubber trim on each side right here. Now the fun begins. There's a locking ring. Just a round circle with 4 tabs that go underneath like a hook deal. Just tap it out with a screwdriver and hammer, but real careful that you don't, mess up the paint. Oh yeah, gotta add this today, some of this seafoam. Alrighty, so once that's done, you gently nudge the fuel pump and assembly out the hole. It does come out, but you have to earn it. And then you pull the pin, undo the casing, pull the old filter out. It's easy to find where it is. It's the only spot that this will fit. Pop the new one in, and then closing it, because there's an O-ring that you have to you have to press it hard enough for the O-ring to seat. And that's it. Put it all back together again. Rick and I took about 2.5 hours. Because it's that easy. So I had to replace this. Came back from the ride the other day. And I'll be damned. It was done broke. See? Broke. The little sides. So. But I might need those screws later, so the best way to find them is leave them in there. I know what they're for. Anyways, so put the new one on, see? And that was a little tricky, because this inside doesn't pull out very far. So all I did, there's the screws on the inside, pull it out far enough, drill 2 holes in the cloth area, because it's a cardboard. There. And then the screws came right out. New ones went right in. Yeah. So. Did the oil change. So I still got to get rid of that. So the total service has now been done. Oil, tranny, primary, fuel filter. Add that seafoam crap into the tank, and then I'm done with the injector cleaning. Oh yeah, I got a dent there. Finally gonna take care of that. Got a new pipe, and I don't need to change the pipe though. But I got new heat shields, so there we go. And once again, like everything else, go see Chris at Windsor Chopper. He fixes you up. Save all kinds of money. Yeah, well, for now, that's it. Rick will be here in about an hour. He's got some more chrome to add to his bike, so we'll play around with that. And by around 1 o'clock, it'll be warm enough. We're going for a scoot. So, in the meantime, catch y'all in the funny papers. Sorry about that. P.S. I almost forgot. Next video I do, I'm going to do an install of this. Tire pressure monitoring system. I need to know. I like gauges. I like instruments that tell me what's going on. Ordered this off Amazon for about 42 bucks. I bought similar ones for both cars, and another set for my sister-in-law. So it's really simple. Front wheel, back wheel. That's it. Plug it in. There's the device here. It's a little blurry. Hate that. And that's it. Gives you the front and back pressures of the tires and the temperature also. It's kind of nice to know. So when I do that install, because you know you got to air up the tires, all that crap. I'm going to put on the jack, spin them around so I can find the valve stems. But yeah, we'll take care of that in the next video. And I'll also, same day I'll be doing the chrome heat shields, swapping them out for a nicer set. So anyways, that was it. So till then, again, funny papers.